Hello students. So in this PPT we will be going through a different compression examples, how we can do a compression without having any knowledge of any of the algorithm. So let's start. We have taken example. The sentence is the rain in the Spain lies mainly in the plain. So when you read this, I just tell you that you have to compress this. You will try to reduce the characters in this particular sentence. So first thing what we have to do, we have to read or we have to calculate how many characters are there, count how many characters are there. So when you are counting, you may remember that the space also we have to compress, so that will be counting it as a one character. So we have counted it, so there are total 42 characters in this particular sentence. So now let's start with our compression. So I told you we are not going to use any mathematical algorithm or something. So it depends on a person to person how this particular sentence can be compressed. So we will take a method in which we will try to replace entire word the, which is the most common word in the English language, with the number 1. So we replace all the with the number 1. So the has been replaced with 1. The has been replaced with the number 1. Okay. Now we decide. Now again when we count, the total number of characters comes to 38. So remember that the total original characters when we have started, we have done it with 42. Okay. So now replacing one word, the characters have come down to 32. Okay. Now again find out which word is more frequent. So we say there are AIN is the word which is more frequent. So we replace it with number 2. So this AIN, this AIN, this AIN, as you can see, will be replaced with the number 2. Okay. So when we have done that, the number of characters become 30. Okay. So I told you it is only you have to find which numbers or which characters you can replace. Now we move on to, we will try to replace IN with the number 3. So now we come to the characters which have reduced to 28. So we have written that one number represents the, two number represents AIN, 3 represents IN. Okay. So now what, when we count the number of characters here, when you have written with the replacement, it has come to 26. Original we have counted, they are 42. So we have, so what we will be doing is, now we will just replace it wherever you have IN, okay, which has been replaced with 3. It will replace, 3 means it will be in and a space. Okay. So you, what are you doing now? With in you have a space also. So that is represented by 3. So now you are able to do, you have done from 42, you have come to 24. That is what your compression. Okay, this is the way you have achieved your compression. Now let's go to another example. Okay, we don't have a sentence. What we have are different words which appear in daily use or something. Okay, so what do we say? There we have kept all every word as a 10 characters. If it is not 10 characters, we have replaced remaining characters with a dash. So let's start. Okay, so what we will be doing? So instead of writing these spaces, I will write it as a number and a space. So what does this indicate? When I write 3 and space, that means there are 3 more spaces to follow. 4 and space, that means there are 4 more spaces to follow. Okay. So now by doing this, we come from 50 to 42. Okay. So instead, if you check the previous slide, there were 3 spaces. Now I representing with a number and a single space. In this way, I have managed to get it from 50 to 42. So let's see what further we can do. Okay, we have stopped at that. There is no, we have not worked more on this. So let's go with the number. So now let us imagine we are sending the list of houses prices. So I think you can easily work your brain on this. You can simply find out there are more number of zeros. So I will choose a single character and replace it with 0. So what has been chosen? So this is your new generation's favorite character, hashtag. So you replace 35 hashtag 4. So wherever I have hash, that means I have to add these many zeros. How many zeros will be indicated by this number? So 6 hashtag, that means number of zeros. How many zeros? These are 5. So you are basically trying to reduce the number of characters to represent this particular word. Okay, so I think these examples are quite sufficient. You can find out your more example from your daily life and work on your own method to do it.